Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get invoice from Shein Ecommerce app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, open up your browser, type in Shein and then type in the official website. Now from over here, tap on this option of me given at the bottom right. As soon as you've tapped on over there, you have to make sure that you're signed in as well. Simply sign in, that will make the process easier. Now tap on customer service from the more service selection, and from over here tap on the customer service again. Now you will be able to again ask to sign in. Go ahead, sign in. You can use your Google account, you can use your Facebook account for that as well. Otherwise, add in your email or phone number individually and sign in. Once you're done signing in, you will be able to chat with their online bot, which you can simply ask for the invoice. Once you have typed in invoice, it will simply show you the product to select for which you need the invoice for. Go ahead, select the product and you will be presented the invoice. And that is basically how you should be able to get it. But again, you have to make sure that you sign in first. In case you have forgotten your password, you also have an option of resetting your password to sign in, and that's basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.